Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn about how to install Docker desktop on Windows. So before that, WSL should be enabled on Windows machine, Windows subsystem for Linux. It's a mandatory for supporting virtualization concepts. So here we'll go to install Docker desktop on Windows. So this is the official website. Click on that. Yeah, can you scroll down? This is the one, Docker desktop for Windows. If you click on that, automatically the file will be download. So it will take some time for download process. I have already installed. So this is the one, Docker desktop installer. Simply if you double click on that, it will download. The process will begin. All the binaries will be downloaded in your machine. So make sure guys, you don't give any kind of your personal information. That means Gmail and company mail, such kind of information don't give, because we are using free version. Don't give for licensed versions, it will charge. And after downloading this Docker desktop, how we can verify the Docker was properly installed or not? So in my machine, Docker is already installed. First of all, I'll show you how we can verify. I'm opening command prompt. So once the command prompt was open, just type Docker. You can see list of Docker commands. So these all are the different types of Docker commands. Based on that, you can verify, okay, Docker is properly installed. And this is the Docker view. You can see here container and images and volumes. So these all are the different images. I'll explain later about what are the images and containers and volumes in Docker concept. So here simply Docker images. If you type this, so you can see list of images and image ID and created on and size. So tag version also you can see. So if you want to verify from your side, just to type Docker pull Python. In my machine, this image was already installed. I will explain about image later, guys. How we can get this image, I'll show you. So we have official Docker Hub. So Docker Hub maintaining all the images. So this is the one. Image contain all the required binaries for supporting your development purpose. For example, these all are the I'll show you. If you type Python, so I have searched Python. We have different Python. So here you can see, just always go with the official version. This is the Docker official image. So here you can see 1 billion downloads, and here you can see Docker pull Python. I have used the same one, Docker pull Python. If you want to search more, you can search. So we have different versions also available here, and based on tags. So default it will pull latest tag. You can see here. By using this method, we can download Docker desktop, and we can verify Docker is properly installed and it's properly running on your machine. So this is about this video, guys. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you very much.